Hindi po tayo pwedeng bare allegations. That is not due process. That is going to be a fishing expedition. Hello po mga ka-BH. Noong May 11 po, dinesisyonan na po ng House of Representatives to impeach the Vice President with a vote of 257 for, 25 against, at 9 na abstention. Kasama po kami sa 25 na nag-no. Ang bagong henerasyon party list through Congressman Robert Nazal ay madiing tumututol sa impeachment na ito against the Vice President. At gusto kong i-explain sa inyo bakit tumutol ang bagong henerasyon party list para mapakinggan nyo or ma-explain ko ano yung no na explanation ni Congressman Robert Nazal. Number 1, pinagbigay diin niya that this is not a vote against accountability. Kami po ay naniniwala sa accountability. Kaya gusto nga po namin, sana yung flood control magkaroon ng hearing, yung 18 Marines magkaroon ng hearing. Because if we truly are for accountability, wala dapat pinipili kung sino ang ating iimbestigahan sa House of Representatives. Dapat pantay-pantay para sa lahat. Kung accountable tayo, kahit sa maliit, lalo nang dapat sa pinakamalaki na pagkakasala sa misuse of public funds. Ito pong boto namin ay hindi boto against accountability. Hindi rin po siya boto dahil kami ay para kay Vice President Sara. No. Ito po ay boto because of the Constitution. To fight for the Constitution, due process, at hindi dapat gamitin ang impeachment as a political weapon. Imagine the Vice President was voted upon by 32 million people. At ang impeachment is the gravest constitutional remedy against an elected official. At dahil siya ay gravest, there must be credible evidence before we impeach someone. Hindi naman sapat ang duda lang. Hindi sapat ang haka-haka o ingay lamang. Lalo namang hindi sapat dahil ayaw mo lamang siyang maging presidente ng ating bansa. The complaints must stand or fall on its own allegations and supporting documents. Yet, several affidavits, reports, and alleged findings yung present during the hearings, yung AMLC reports, yung NBI findings, at even the COA decision itself, hindi po siya attached sa original complaint. Ito po ay nakuha lang namin during the hearing. So it seems the evidence was later obtained to cure the deficiencies of the complaints. Yun pa lang, hindi ko alam kung nakikita niyong tama. Kasi dapat, kung sigurado kayo sa complaint, dapat naka-attach na lahat ng ebidensya niyo dun pa lang sa umpisa. This is a very dangerous precedent. Ang dali na pala mag-file ng impeachment, total kukuha na lang naman pala ng mga ebidensya during the hearing. Then, this can be weaponized against any impeachable officer. Delikado po yun. Hindi po tayo pwedeng bare allegations. That is not due process. That is going to be a fishing expedition.